Today I'm going to show you how to make the 20th century cocktail. This was named after the famous 20th Century Limited train, the same name. It featured in North by Northwest. Never mind, I'll cut that out.
Okay.
Okay. So first you'll need 4 ingredients.
Why is Quincy here?
He just wanted to be here. So.
Of course.
So, some gin, some lemon juice, Lillet Blanc, and white creme de coco. First we'll want to start with the gin. Well, actually the ice. So hold on. Don't get this in the...
No, just put the ice in.
That's going to be cut.
Alright.
Why is it?
What's wrong?
I don't know.
Okay. It's in here.
Alright. Now, we go to the gin. First you'll add the gin, 1.5 parts of gin. So there we go. Dun-dun-dun-dun. And then there we go. Okay. So there's the gin. And then next we'll add 3/4 of a part of lemon juice. There we go. Half a part of Lillet Blanc. And half a part of the white creme de coco.
What happened?
Nothing. Normally I would have a shaker.
Is
but
Quincy like your student?
He is my student.
Quincy, you need to pay attention to this.
Normally I would have a shaker, but I neglected to bring it, so I will use this
Coffee.
container as a makeshift shaker.
Very well.
So here goes. Hopefully it doesn't explode in my... Alright. Alright. Next, yes, strain into a glass. That sounds like a bird.
What?
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, the 20th century cocktail. I hope... I'll do this again. Ladies and gentlemen, the 20th century cocktail. I hope this video was informative, and I'll see you again next time.
Cheers.
Cheers.